Welcome to another episode. Great many masters have compared the spiritual journey as train journey. Nisargadatta Maharaj, Ramana Maharishi, and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. They have told stories or simile about train journey. We will see how it compares. There are three types of passengers in the spiritual journey of the train. A normal passenger buys the ticket, he is bothered about his family, he rushes into the train, he is bothered about how his family is seated, whether they have food, the safety, convenience and all. He is a normal passenger. That's how normal people live their life. The second passenger, he is not satisfied with these mundane things. He wants to understand about the train, about the technicalities, about which locomotive is pulling the train, how the systems function, the signals, the track laying, the expertise of running a train, how much automation is done. And there are many masters and gurus who can explain this expertise to him. He is enchanted by these technicalities. He goes in depth. That is the second class of people. The people who go around learning about so many systems, maybe practicing them, become experts in that. Later on, they become masters, the gurus who teach the technicalities. But there is a third type of passenger. A passenger who knows his train will take him safely to the destination. And he is not bothered about technicalities, nor about the mundane things. He sits there comfortably, enjoying the journey of life, enjoying the scenery. No worries, nothing to bother about. This is the accomplished spiritual people who understand that life will go on. Enjoy the life. The happiness is in every moment, in harmony and peace. This is the third type of passengers, the spiritual, a realized person. This is how the masters, the gurus, have compared the journey of life with the train journey. With this, we will end this episode. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my